All right, y'all. My duet partner, are you ready?
You ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Come on. You better bring it.
You are my
Bring it.
Because we're not.
We're not.
Just.
You're one of my favorite bands of all time. I like to sing with you, but my voice is not good enough. So I hope you understand.
I see the questions in your eyes, and I know what's weighing on your mind. And you can be sure I know my part.
Cause I'll stand beside you through the tears. You're all on the cry of heavy tears. And though I'll make mistakes, I'll never break your heart. And I swear by the moon and the stars in the skies,
I'll be there.
I swear, like the shadow that's by your side, I'll be there.
For better or worse, till death do us part.
I'll love you with
every beat of my heart, and I swear.
I'll give you everything I can.
I'll build your dreams with these two hands.
We'll hang some memories on the walls. And
when just the two of us are there,
you won't have to ask if I still care. Cause at the turn of the page, my love will age on. I swear, by the moon and the stars in the sky, I'll be there.
I'll be there.
And I swear,
like
the shadow that's by your side,
I'll be there.
I'll be there.
For better or worse, till death do us part.
I'll love you with
every beat of my heart, and I swear. Come on, just wave your hands like this from side to side. Come on, let's. Oh yeah.
I like this.
Come on, you got it.
I swear,
by the moon and the stars in the skies, I'll be there. And I swear, like the shadow that's by your side, I'll be there.
I'm gonna be there.
For better or worse, till that to us part, I'll love you with
Every single beat of my heart, and I swear. Whoa,
Swear.